My conservation initiative was the range-wide conservation program for cheetah and African wild dogs. The aim of the organization is to support, coordinate, and implement projects, strategies, concepts, and ideas that directly promote the conservation of wild populations of cheetah and African wild dog. So a little bit about the target species. The African wild dog is classified as an endangered species. There are only about 6,600 wild dogs left, and they are found in 14 countries across Africa. The cheetah is classified as a vulnerable species. They are mainly found in eastern and southern Africa, and most of them are found in areas outside of protected land. A quick overview of RWCP. This program was initiated in 2007, and it is a nonprofit organization. It was started by Dr. Sarah Durant, who is the project leader, and Professor Rosie Woodruff, who is the technical advisor for the African wild dogs. There are also 3 other main coordinators in the program that direct plans for specific regions of Africa. RWCP collaborates with several organizations. They're mainly funded by the Howard G. Buffett Foundation. They're endorsed by ICUN's specialist groups for cats and canids. In addition, they also receive support from the Wildlife Conservation Society and the Zoological Society of London. Range-wide divides their action plans and projects into 3 main regions of Africa. The Northwest and Central region is run by Dr. Audrey Abovic and is based in Benin. The Eastern region is run by Dr. Nick Mitchell and is based in Tanzania. Lastly, the Southern region is run by Dr. Rosemary Groom and is based in Zimbabwe. Range-wide has many projects going on across all 3 regions. These 2 projects shown are related to their efforts to improve population counts of cheetahs and African wild dogs and distinguish the areas these animals are found. The project at the top is their collaboration with National Geographic. They created an online database where local citizens and tourists can take pictures of sightings of cheetahs and wild dogs using the iNaturalist app. This helps the organization gain knowledge of where these animals are located and how many of these animals occupy a specific area. The second project is working in Angola to survey the country for large carnivores. In December 2015, RWCP partnered with Panthera and the Angolan Carnivore Project to survey the Iona National Park. Much of Angola is marked as an unknown area in terms of how they support cheetah and wild dog populations. These surveys help understand how cheetah and wild dog conservation can be applied in these protected areas. RWCP is focused mainly on data collection of these species to be able to always have accurate, updated maps and statistics. Part of their education for the public is creating posters like these to inform the public about these species and help local citizens identify different large carnivores. The poster on the right shows a general overview poster about cheetahs and African wild dogs, and the poster on the left shows an identification poster to help people identify differences between cheetahs, leopards, and servals. Along with these posters, RWCP provides links on their website to many organizations that are specific to each country in Africa and their conservation efforts. For measuring success, Range-wide focuses on their ability to update population maps of these species through their surveys. In addition, they focus on communicating with government officials across several countries to inform them on the importance of land conservation for these species. In this example, Dr. Audrey Abovic is shown with the Nigerian Ministry of Environment and Sustainable Development at the signing of the MOU, which is a document that provides structure to launch the Cheetah Landscape Initiative. This initiative works to provide protected land for cheetahs since they need lots of space to live. Range-wide always strives to find better, more sustainable methods to improve surveying and keeping their population maps up to date, such as the wild dog population map pictured from 2016. In addition, Range-wide wants to keep moving forward with the Cheetah Landscape Initiative in more countries. The goal of this initiative is to secure long-term maintenance of large transboundary areas of connected resident cheetah range in each of the 3 RWCP African regions. One way these species can connect to class concepts is through the Disney movie African Cats. Similar to showing baby seals in the Simpsons video, creating a family movie about cheetahs provides exposure to a younger population. This can help motivate younger people to get involved and care about conservation when they have good memories with these animals early in life, like Lisa does when she sees baby seals on TV. Relating to Moalem, For species to receive protection from organizations and the government, they require the best possible science. Range-wide focuses a lot of their attention on collecting data and involving the public to help survey. This kind of data helps provide reason to support conservation of these animals. Lastly, to answer the question of how conservation is practiced in this initiative, RWCP works to expand the knowledge of cheetah and wild dog endangerment to the public. They also communicate with many organizations and government officials to provide protected land where these species can thrive in their environment.